Alright guys, welcome back to another Sunday reset video. Thank you guys for being here. So today's video is gonna be a little bit different. I really don't know, but I'm here cleaning the house. I just wanted to say some things, which I thank you guys so much for all the prayers. Thank you guys for, just the kind words. Thank you guys for everything positive. I am going through a lot, and things do happen. Life goes on. This too shall pass. But I don't know. I just don't know. I personally don't get the luxury to go out and do what I want to do because I'm always stuck at home with the kids. And for me, I have to just clean the house basically. In order for me to do something or feel like I'm doing something, I always try to do something around the house, whether it's time to clean or just try to buy something to fix the place or stuff like that. And it is a lot. On this specific day, guys, I was overwhelmed, where I was going all day. I had to go to church the next morning. I was trying to do all the kids here. Olivia was crying, and I am here with these 4 kids, managing everything by myself. I still had to create this video because I have everything set on a schedule. The night before, I went to bed super late, and I had to wake up back, start the girls here. I really don't get time for myself. I really don't get time to be Chrissy because I'm always taking care of everything and everybody else around me, and I have to take care of my kids, but they don't understand now. But I am I don't know what's the word, but all I can do is ask for you guys to pray for me, pray for the family, pray for the kids, and I'm trying to show up for me. I'm trying to show up for myself because nobody else is gonna show up for me. I have to show up for myself. And ladies, let me tell you, I know a lot of people don't understand what is going on. Some probably will ever understand, but I am going through a lot mentally, and I have to brace myself and just whatever comes, because at the end of the day, we're human beings. We're gonna cry, we're gonna do stuff. It's forgiveness that matters, and moving forward is what matters. And I am not moving forward. I cannot move forward right now. I don't know what the future holds, but I'm deeply hurt. I am embarrassed. I don't know what the word is with everything that's going on in my life now. And to know that I am a good person, I'm a good mother, I'm a good wife, I'm a good friend. I'm just a good person overall, a good, very loud person, I must say, because that's just me. You will only get me. You cannot get somebody else. You will only get Chrissy. And I feel like I am, probably one of those persons out there where I'm in 1 every 10 million. I mean, I put myself up there as a very good person because I know my heart and I know what I will do, and I think and I care for people. I just know all of that, but I am in a position, and I really wanted you guys to understand me and just keep me in your prayers still, because this minute I'm okay, the next minute I am not. I have kids that I have to take care of, so I have to show up. Regardless of what, I have to show up. I was going in a place where I will not say right now, but cleaning my house helps. Talking to people who care about me helps. And when I tell you, this hurts so bad, where I just don't know. I don't know if just all my emotions are coming in now with everything, but it is oh my god, this voiceover should not be like this. Let me try to just say, I don't want you guys to stray away from the Carter family, whereas, you know, as a family, as oh, you knew us. Also, to me personally, I don't want you guys to, and I'm here for all females. That's one thing. I will not try and tear somebody else down. You don't see me come public talking about other people. That's because it doesn't make sense, you know. And we're here to uplift all the time, motivate, and doing these videos, because of the response that I get from you guys, it also helps me personally. Reading the comments sometimes, it gives me the drive, it motivates me, and I go on with my days. So I do appreciate you guys as much as you guys enjoy watching these videos. But all I can say is, I don't know what's gonna happen in a couple months or weeks or years, but all I'm asking for is prayer, you know, for me and my girls. That's pretty much it. But at the same time, if somebody's going through anything you're going through in life, do not blame yourself. Do not feel pressured into owing anybody anything that you need an explanation to tell people, because there's gonna be people who's gonna show up for you, and then there's gonna be people who will not show up for you. You did not cause this pain on yourself. Don't blame yourself. And I will not sit here because I'm a good wife, I am a good mother, I am a good friend. I will not blame myself based on anything. I take care of my family, you know. I put everyone first and always have me at the last. I'm always the one getting the button last. And it's just life, you know. It is life. Sometimes that's how it happens. Sometimes you have to be the one to carry the burden. It is okay as well, but then it's how you get back yourself up. It's how you know, try to motivate yourself as well as all you guys motivating me. If it wasn't for social media, I would probably be in a place where you guys that reach out, you guys that really care about me, I understand people are gonna say stuff. I do understand that, and I only understand the ones that are upset. I don't understand the ones who really wanted this to happen, because I live and I didn't know certain stuff. So for people to say I know certain stuff, I only put out the best. I only want to see the best in people that I'm with, or my friends, or anybody at all. That's all I want to see. But I'm gonna say this now. I'm getting emotional. I really don't want to, but I'm gonna say this. Show up for yourself. Try to show up for yourself. Try to not ignore stuff that is in your way. Sometimes we cloud our minds, and try to show up for yourself, ladies. You know, it is time for us to build each other, not try to tear each other down. And then it's time for us to sometimes sit back and understand the situation that people are in. Sometimes they don't know. You just don't know the situation that you're in until it is out there. You don't know. I am not a person. I love myself. I appreciate myself because I know the type of person I am. So certain stuff I will not tolerate. I will not. And I refuse to, because I'm a very, I want to say selfish, but it's not the bad part of selfish. What is mine, I want it for me only. I don't want to share nothing. You know, I don't want to share nothing that belongs to me, nothing that I want, nothing that I really care for. I want to keep it to myself. So it is like kind of, but show up. Anyway, guys, I had to take a moment. I'm just here, you know, cleaning my bathroom. I'm going to take a shower because I am not in the mood to pamper myself, to be honest. So I'm just going to shower. This was super late. This was, I think, 4 a.m. and I've been going on my feet all day. But I am happy. And then I have church, because this video is Saturday. I had to do it Saturday for Sunday because it's a cleaning video. So I had to wake up like 2 hours literally to go to church. So it is insane, but this is, you know, ladies, keep pushing, just keep going. There's always something great at the tunnel. There's always a light out at the tunnel, and I really don't know what to say, but all I can say is, wherever positivity is, keep your mind there, keep focused, show up for yourself. It's time for us to start showing up for ourselves first. If we cannot show up for ourselves, there is no way we're gonna show up for nobody else, because if we're not okay, we cannot make nobody else okay. We cannot make our husbands okay. We cannot make our kids okay. It is impossible. So ladies, show up for yourself. I love you guys. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Just like I keep saying, keep me in your prayers. And I'm still searching. I'm still searching. I'm still clueless. Everything is going on. I'm still in that position right now. So just see with me. I'm still in denial, to be honest. So I love you guys. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you guys for supporting. Thank you guys for watching. And pray for Kushin, please. He needs it for himself, apart from the family. Please pray for my husband. I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoy. Hope you guys pray. Hope you guys eat your dinner. Do not stress, alright? Just always remember there's something good out there, and God loves us. And we should love ourselves. We should love people around us. And we should not let one bad situation determine a good situation, if that makes sense. Stay prayed up. Always remember, like I said, God is love. Stay blessed. I love you guys. Until next time, make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. Share with a friend. Big up yourselves, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.